5 ways to optimize your Google My Business listing to dominate on Google local search. Watch till the end for a bonus tip. Complete and accurate information. Provide complete and accurate information in your GMB profile. Include your business name, address, and phone, website URL, business category, and hours of operation. Ensure all the information is consistent with your website and other online directories. Utilize relevant keywords in your business description, services, and posts. Research and include location-specific keywords to improve your visibility in local search results. However, avoid keyword stuffing and keep your content natural and user-friendly. Always use engaging photos and videos in your profile by uploading high-quality and engaging photos to your GMB listing. Include images of your business premises, products, themes, and any unique features, visual content that helps and attracts attention, builds credibility, and increases user engagement. Encourage customer reviews. Actively encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews on your GMB listing. Positive reviews not only enhance your online reputation, but also boost your visibility in local search results. Respond to reviews promptly, both positive and negative, to show that you are engaging with your audience and care for your customers' feedback. Always publish relevant posts. Take advantage of the posts featured in your GMB dashboard to share updates, promotions, events, or blog posts. Publish regular posts with compelling content, visuals, and clear call to action. This helps increase user engagement and provides valuable information to potential customers. Now, here's the bonus tip. Monitor and respond to user questions and inquiries through the Q&A section of your GMB listing. Prompt and helpful responses demonstrate you are committed to your customer service and can influence potential customer decisions. By implementing these simple optimization techniques, you can enhance your Google My Business listings, increase your visibility in local search results, and establish a strong presence in your target area. If you can't do it, you can contact an agency like Prism Digital to do it and regularly update and maintain your GMB profile to ensure its accuracy and relevance. So, like and follow Prism Digital if you want some fantastic tips to grow your business using digital marketing techniques and social media. Please save this video and share it with someone who wants to know